Basura is everywhere. Sa kalsada, sa kanal, sa barangay. A simple problem but it creates big damage to our community. This documentary shows why waste is a growing issue and how we can all be part of the solution. Improper waste disposal is one of the biggest problems in our country. Every day, tons of basura end up in the street, river, and open dams. But the issue is not just about trash. It's about discipline, behavior, and responsibility.
Every morning nga lang dalang basura sa dalan. Sometimes ang tao bisig asa ra mo labay. Sud kaayo kay magbaho ang basura kay agkabaan ng area.
We see the same story in many communities. Trash is thrown anywhere and people often ignore proper waste management. Segregation is very important. Kung tanan mag-separate sa biodegradable o non-biodegradable, mas dali ang collection o recycle sa basura. Even simple action can make a big difference. Solutions include proper segregation, 3Rs, reduce, reuse, recycle, avoiding single-use plastic, throwing trash only in trash bin, joining clean-up drives, composting food waste, and supporting barangay waste program. We all have a role in solving the basura problem. A clean community starts with one responsible person. Sa gamay nga lihok, paglabay sa basura sa sakto. Pag-segregate, dili maglabay bisan asa. We can make our barangay clean and safe. A clean environment is a shared responsibility, and together we can turn basura into a better future.